Raj from 9th standard. Today I am explaining the project. So let's start from simple definition. The definition of CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, which is the control center of signals to control the other part of the computer, almost like a brain control a body. CPU is also known as processor because CPU is responsible for executing a sequence of store instruction called program, and program will take input from input devices and output the result to output devices. So I am starting the explanation. All computers must have a function part that serves input path for information. It would not be possible to do any information processing that if every went back out immediately. Information must linger for at least a while so computer can work on it. It implies that all computers must have some sorts of information holding part. So I am requesting to my friend Yashvi, please explain the further details.
I am from 9th standard. Today I am tell you more information about input and output processing. This might be said to the logically most central part. There must be some part that can do information processing part. We call this part the information processing part. Processing information is pretty pointless. Find out the results. So all the computers must have another functional part or more than one that serves as an output part for proceed information. My explanation has been completed, so I am tell you about memory, role of memory in the CPU by steps. First, move instruction to the control unit. Step second, the two numbers brought from ALU from memory and placed in the main components of central processing unit is control unit and arithmetic logical unit. Input main memory, output auxiliary storage.